go to the one with the ambulance picture, because you really can't tell I'm live. Look out, man. We got my boy Trent in the building one time for the one time. Trent up here. Look out, look out. We trying to see something. What you gonna do? You running juice in the car today?
Yeah, I was running it up.
Hey y'all, he running juice today with the car, y'all. You made your last pass? You still in line?
I don't know, the line's a little long, man.
Okay, the line a little long, y'all. He thinking about it. He thinking about it. He thinking about it. I'll just letting them know.
Why, what they need? What y'all
They want to see some. They want to see you purge it one time. They want to see how it look when you purge it. Okay. We just need a purge. Little small block.
The CL1 and the Camaro, they're gonna race again.
Oh yeah.
Black and blue, yeah, they do a little smaller pop this time.
Oh yeah, I ain't bet.
Yeah, so they got paid. They got paid on it because he lost.
Yeah. Hey y'all, they finna run that race back. I ain't betting them.
Hey, BMW beat you $50.
Trying to fuck somebody.
BMW beat you $50.
Tell him to let him hit to the 60 foot like he's supposed to.
I don't care what he do.
Okay.
I got $50 to
Tell
take
you
this
that-
motherfucker loose.
I bet he win if he let him hit to the 60 foot.
If he let...
No, him let him.
Hey, appreciate the $4.99, man.
Hey, why would you
Sent
let
that, man. I done missed him.
No, he trying to race.
Oh, that was Mike G.
That's giving them up.
Where B Green? Shout out B Green one time for the one time, y'all. Where B Green at? Oh, we got a little turbo BMW. Y'all think this little thing running? Is this BMW running or what?
It's a diesel.
Oh, damn, I smell it. Damn, this a diesel, y'all. Hey, you in reverse. Damn, y'all, do these run? Hey. Hey, you gotta come up. You get a little water and then scoot up. Scoot up some. You gotta come on up here.
They got 15 different people trying to tell him what to do. He confused for a look.
Another damn stuff.
Sport. That's your only thing.
Yeah, man.
Pay attention to your front wheel.
Yeah, man. Do your burnout, man.
There you go.
Come on.
Don't let go of the gas.
That's all he got? Oh, he said,
It's a BMW, bro. It doesn't let you do shit.
Bullshit.
yeah, it's a lot of BMWs.
You need that intake.
Yeah. Okay, like that. Do it like that. He done brung his grandma BMW up here. She parked it for a reason. He done went and got a paper tag. And then took grandma's car out the damn garage. Then nobody tell him to get this car out of there. I told him don't. This was a limited edition from grandma. He finna tear it up. Go! I don't know. Grandma gonna whoop his ass. When she find out, I got somebody get his grandma to subscribe to my channel so she can see her grandson act a damn fool.
Oh, fuck. Cortez, I need one of these shirts, bro.
Man, I got some. Yeah, I'm gonna get you one. Okay. Hey, y'all, hit that like button, share button. Hey, y'all, this is my boy Slim Thug. He got that them tires over, boy. That
Hey,
thing.
this side, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey, this side.
I'll take this. Yeah, where y'all going, man? Y'all want him right here from Arizona? Ooh, boy, that thing over there got a look. Look at that Suburb. I mean, yeah, man. Look at that thing. I'm going on the other side, man. Let me ask my TikTokers where they going. We got the truck in the left lane, WRX in the right lane. Y'all see how that thing take off? Oh, we got everybody betting with the right lane so far. 19 votes, 20 votes versus 10. Don't nobody got faith in the old Tahoe over there, man. All right, that Tahoe gonna shock y'all. Y'all keep playing. That thing over there might be a sleeper. That thing probably a sleep. All right. 23 vert. Dang, ain't nobody betting with the. Golly. Boy, they all bet with this little. Okay, here we go. Oh, it look like it's coming. Oh, no, it ain't. That Tahoe got the houses on. It's over with. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win. All my people on TikTok betted with the right lane. He done got all y'all money, man. That's a sleeper. We got a sleeper. We got a sleeper.
That's not a sleeper, bro.
Yeah. Everybody on here. We done got everybody on here.
That is not a
Zach,
sleeper.
we done got
That's
Zach
a
paid.
stock-ass.
D-Lo got paid.
That's a
Matt done got
stock-ass.
paid.
That's
Boy, everybody on here done got paid, man. I tried to tell y'all over here on TikTok, all the people that lost, subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's your consequence. You gotta go and subscribe. Get on my YouTube channel. Yeah. It's Lookout Racing. Lookout Racing. Yeah, we trying to get to the 20,000. We at 17 now. We trying to make it, and all y'all can help, boy. Ooh, I love that TikTok help. Help me, TikTok, help me.